So let's get our locks installed. Let's go. What's going on, PSG? So today we're going to get these arrow latches installed. Got a little bit of work to do. Now, Arrow is the name brand, but I'm gonna say that these are not arrows because some of the arrows I seen comes with a clip that go on the bottom of this, but we don't have that. So I want to say this is not Arrow. So what we're gonna do is that we're going to use them anyway, and if we have any issues with them, we will immediately get rid of them and go purchase some arrows. They're really not that expensive, so I seen these on eBay, and I didn't know nothing about arrows at that time when I bought these, because I would have bought that instead. So let's see what we got. So, all right, BSG, so first thing first, we're going to remove these cushions right here on both sides. We're gonna get those out, and then we're going to drill our holes and install this thing here. This thing right here is gonna be our cushion to where we set it to where we want it to be, so that the hood will come flush with the top of the car, the fenders and all that good stuff, and the nose. So let's get it.
Yeah, I'm all in.
So, got to figure out how to get this piece here out. All right, guys, so we got this piece out. It's a clip like this. See, it's elongated. The two clips on the side. You just pop them right down in there, and this piece here sits on top of it to lock it in. So, I'm gonna save this for something later. Don't know what it could be, but we'll save it for something later. And we get this other side out. Alrighty, so we got both of them out. So here we go with this right here. Unscrew this piece here. Let me see, can I get that on top of that right there? I can. So, but that don't come off of there, so. But I need one of these. Washer on the bottom, washer on top. Let me see if it'll fit down in there. And it doesn't, so. I am not prepared here, so I need to get a drill bit, a step drill bit. Let's see if y'all see me. I'm gonna get a step drill bit so we can properly drill a little hole here for this piece here to slide down in there, and then we gonna move on to the next step. Okay. All right, so we got that drilled. So next step is to put these pins in. So let me turn you around this way, and let's see these pins here. So, oh boy. So I gotta take this all the way off. All right, so Come on, man. Wait a minute. Can I get that screw on top of this? Fuck no. Alright. Oh boy. So, this here has to go on top. Just like that. Alright, so we just want to we're going to snug that up. Gonna leave it loose. And we do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so I'm going to take me a measurement and see how tall this is. We're right at 3 inches there. Over here. We're a little bit under 3 here. So all right, so I'm gonna go get something so I can mark this, put something on top of this so we can mark our top. Oh shoot, hold on. I'm gonna mark this so we can mark this hood up here in that spot so that we know where to do our first drill of hole. So I can drill the pilot hole already, and I'm gonna have to adjust this hole anyway. So let's go ahead and drill one more. All right, so the next step is what I believe to be the next step is to come down here on top of this hood. Need to get rid of that. Let's see if I can. Okay, so that thing there is coming straight to the hole, and this one here comes straight through the hole. You guys can't see it, but I don't know if you guys still will see it right there. Hopefully you guys seen it. So my next step is to take this here template, cut it out, cut out the inside, lay it on there, and go from there. But throwing that crap away, I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do though is line this up here on top of that hole. Line this other one up over here on top of this hole, and we're going to do some measurements. We're going to measure from here to there, which is 3 inches. Over here is less than 3, so we're going to move it back. I want 3 inches right there. Okay, that's about right. Yeah, we'll be good right there. And I am going to, you see from here, from this side to there, So we about 3 inches on both sides. Now, what I want to do is that I'm gonna take me a marker and mark around it, around the outside of this here, and then I'm going to cut on the inside of that line. So, need a marker, which I didn't bring, but I found one. Let's mark this thing here. Hopefully this is marking. Yes it is. Okay, so there go that mark right there. We're gonna do it like that. Cut on the inside of that, which is, yeah. No, can't do that like that. So, I'm gonna cut to the inside. These things that dip in, I'm gonna cut those like that. This one here dips in. Cut it like that. Oh boy. So, I'm gonna end the video right here. This is a good stopping point, because we have a lot to do here. It's not a lot, but we got more than enough. I'm going to find me a tool, which I'm probably going to use my, cutter, and plasma cutter. And then cut up here, and we're going to cut at the bottom. So, yeah. So, we're going to end it right here for today. And then we'll start up tomorrow or another day cutting this open here. All right. So, good stopping point. So, I'll get back at y'all.
Yeah, I'm all in. Brody on the line, I'm tapping in. God out here pulling the strings for me. A girl on the line, she feeling me. Preoccupied by the motivation. Put in the time, pay the entry fee. Bro on the rise, yeah, he kinda nice. Inside of my mind, no one's real as me. Lately, life has been gorgeous. Wake up to clear, my eyes hit recorded. Praise up to God, I ain't chasing no bitch. Swinging the miss, got me hitting these licks.
Guys, I gotta say, this is the time where a Dremel will come in handy, but we're gonna make do with what we can do with what we got. So here we go. So as I look at this, I'm looking okay right in here. I mean, I got it cleaned up a little bit, but I'm going to leave it like that and come here, hit the inside of that, and come across this thing here. So we're gonna use two things. We're gonna use this here to do straight lines, and then we're gonna use the plasma cutter to
got in the passenger, prayer of crashes. I'm in my basket, blissful but ignorant, I'm dapper but ratchet. I play around in the traffic, I take the risk. Look at me stack up the chips, I play roulette with the magnum. Right till I die, I'm not afraid of the casket. I'm on the run, I'm chasing the thrills. I'm hungry, I'm starving, I lust for the meal. Lately, I'm blue like the bills, yeah. I'm elevated, overeducated. I run the race for who I resonate with. I break the bread with you who work the late shift. Break the ground, shake up the simulation. Reshape the sound, needed renovation. All that they quickly vacated the premises. I feed off my enemy entities. I rock the crown with a tilt. Ain't nobody done it like this. I'm having fun, I'm wild, I spaz when I serve with the stylist. I'm breaking them over with the hits. Only got one life to live. I'm antisocial at the function. They make me out to be the bad guy. I circle micro, if you had a scope, you still couldn't see us through the glass eyes. Real evasive when it's average chasers. Dressed to kill like I'm going places. Better late than fake, just hoping that we make it. Pray we make it through the night. Oh, we make
Can't might be able to make that work right there. My biggest concern is making sure I got enough real estate for these holes here to drill to screw in there. Now, what I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do here is I'm gonna have to cut this stuff out on the inside. And the only thing I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna see if I can get in here with my plasma cutter, because it done burned through a little bit on the underside, but I'm gonna see if I can come in here and cut this radius out in here from the top side, and then if I gotta go down, then I go down. I'm thinking I should do this side here too as well. Okay, let me go ahead and do this a little bit here.
yeah, I'm all in. Brody on the line, I'm tapping in. God out here pulling the strings for me. A girl on the line, she feeling me. Preoccupied by the motivation. Put in the time, pay the entry fee. Bro on the rise, yeah, he kinda nice. Inside of my mind, no one's real as me. Lately, life has been gorgeous. Wake up to clear, my eyes hit record. Praise up to God, I ain't chasing no bitch. Swinging and miss, got me hitting these licks. I get the orders, don't get it distorted. Disconnected, I've been calling.
All right. I need to use that thing more so I can really get that thing to working right. So I'm gonna knock these out. As soon as I find me the proper utensil, let's see if we can use this. Nope. Nope. So let's see what we got here.
I've been cordial, I've been exploring. I got a whole lot, but somehow I want more of it. Yeah, I went to tour and put on for the soil. Hey, bruh, remember they used to ignore us? Now they dropped me the pin with the cord and they catch me running through their ordinance. Remember we couldn't afford the whip. Pushing the scraper, that shit was so ageless. We blowing on grapes for the flavors. All of a sudden we major, still independent but no label. For now I'm going hard enough that the streams will lead to a house by the beach. All of this done with the speech. Filling my pockets for now, but later I want the picket for some sign of the neighbors. I used to skip out on the payments. Nowadays I tax for the labor. Dog on the line, yeah, he tapping in. I'm staying clear, fake rapper friends. Kamikaze on a traffic cam. Only one shot to navigate the labyrinth. I'm keeping it lit, burn it down to the ash. My life been much more than imagine. I got where I'm at with the passion. Traded all to live it backwards. Pray we make it through the night. Oh, we make it through the night. You can see it when you look into my eyes. When you look into my eyes, you can see that I'm grind all day. Life been going my way. Life been going my way. When I grind all day. Life been going my way. Life been going my way. Yeah, the word on my back like I'm Atlas. Lit down the ashes. She do not come with no practice. Recipe, passion, and liquor with God in the passenger. Prayer to crashes. I'm in my basket. Blissful but ignorant. I'm dapper but ratchet. I play around in the traffic. I take the risk. Look at me stack up the chips. I play roulette with the magnum. Right till I die. I'm not afraid of the casket. I'm on the run. I'm chasing the thrills. I'm hungry. I'm starving. I lust for the meal. Lately, I'm blue like the bills. Yeah. I'm elevated, overeducated. I run the race for who I resonate with. I break the bread with G's who work the late shift. Break the ground, shake up the stimulation. Reshape the sound, needed renovation. All that quickly vacated the premises. I feed off my enemy entities. I rock the crown with a tilt. Ain't nobody done it like this. I'm having fun, I'm wild, I spaz when I serve with the stylist. I'm breaking them over with the hits. Only got one life to live. I'm antisocial at the function. They make me out to be the bad guy. I circle micro, if you had a scope, you still couldn't see us through the glass eyes. Real evasive when it's average chases. Dressed to kill like I'm going places. Better late than fake, just hoping that we make it. Pray we make it through the night. Hope we make it through the night. You can see it when you look into my eyes. When you look into my eyes, you can see that I'm grind all day. Life been going my way. Life been going my way. When I grind all day. Life been going my way. You can see that I'm grind all day. Life been going.
Okay. That tells me I should be able to get by that. Alright, so. Yeah, she ready to lock already, y'all. Wanna lock already. Alright, so. Two things I can do here. I can cut the outside of this so I can get right to my holes, or I can buy longer screws. I think I'm gonna cut it. So let's get the cut. Okay, let's check to make sure these holes are big enough. And they're not. So, let me go find me a drill bit. See, this drill bit got threads on it, So we're gonna see if we can make this thing work. Let's see if we made us a boo-boo. Nope, don't work. So, I need a bigger drill bit. Trying not to drill this crap too big, man. Really don't want no slop in it. Really don't want no slop. But I don't have no drill bits. And besides little ones, I got little ones, but I don't have a decent sized drill bit to make this work. So, and do something I don't want to do, but it is what it is. Now, let me go find something. Let's see here. Let's try another one. Come here. Yes, sir. All right. Let's see here. So, didn't have to cut this hole out under this bottom to put these nuts on, but what I'm gonna do is that I'm still gonna use these nuts. The nuts, look, I'm gonna put nuts on the back of these. Anyway, so. All right, so put this in there, and seeing how, now I gotta go find my Allen to match this, cause it don't seem like they gave me an Allen to go with this.
Yeah, I'm all in. Brody on the line, I'm tapping in. God out here pulling the strings for me. A girl on the line, she feeling me. Preoccupied by the motivation. Put in the time, pay the entry fee. Bro on the rise, yeah, he kinda nice. Inside of my mind, no one's real as me. Lately, life has been gorgeous. Wake up to clear, my eyes hit record. Praise up to God, I ain't chasing no bitch. Swinging and miss, got me hitting these licks. I get the orders, don't get it distorted. Disconnected, I've been cordless, I've been cordial, I've been exploring. I got a whole lot, but somehow I want more of it. Yeah, I went to tour and put on for the soil. Hey, bruh, remember they used to ignore us? Now they dropped me the pin with the cord and they catch me running through their ordinance. Remember we couldn't afford the whip.
Here's y'all. Nice. Let me get y'all up here. Bring y'all in closer. Alright. So, there you go. Got to do a little more body work here. Not body work, but just smoothing this down. But that's going to come with as we finish up the body work on this thing here. Yep, there it is. So I'm gonna buy me some better ones because these are cheap and they act cheap. So I'll buy some better ones and see, because I gotta stick my hand in here and move that back. Unless they like that, somebody let me know. All right, y'all. So if you like what's going on here, man, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, man, and we're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
Pushing and scraping, that shit was so ageless. We blowing on grapes for the flavors. All of a sudden we major, still independent but no label. For now I'm going hard enough that the streams will lead to a house by the beach. All of this done with the